After buying a new phone, we usually forget about the previous one, especially if it is too old to be sold. However, there are plenty of things to do with your old smartphone, even though you were going to get rid of it. My name is Greg, and today I'll tell you how to make a CCTV camera, use your old phone as a power bank for a new one, and some more. But before we start, I'd like to ask you one question. What did you do with your previous smartphone? If we take a closer look at today's phones, some of them have 128 gigabytes as the base storage, and just understand how huge it is. I mean, we got used to it, but my laptop has 128 gigabytes. It's huge. But how we use it after buying a new phone? I guess not much, so my first piece of advice is to use your old phone as a USB drive. Even phones with a smaller storage can still be useful for movies, photos and other stuff. Moreover, in comparison with USB drives, here you can scroll through your files whenever you need. So it may be a handy one. If you are lucky enough to have USB Type-C on your old phone, think of it as of the slim power bank. Of course, it won't have a huge battery, but it will still be enough to charge your new phone for a day at least once. The only thing you need is a cable with USB Type-C on it. Connect it like that and ta-da! It's live. However, I should warn you that it will only work with Androids. Old iPhones can't share their power with other smartphones. Probably the most interesting way to make use for your old smartphone is to use it as a CCTV camera. No matter Android or iPhone, just install one of many apps. For me, Alfred works best. Then use tripod or something like that, and don't forget to use charger for your homemade CCTV camera. Now you can see what is happening at home even being far away from it. The app notifies you when there is any movement and lets you even turn on the flashlight and night mode. And you can try to scare thieves by turning on the siren. Sounds simple, but having an alarm on the separate device is really a nice thing. Not only you can safely put your main smartphone on charger on the other corner of the room and still be sure that you won't miss an alarm, you also can end up this terrible habit of scrolling through socials till the very night and easily enjoy the book or the movie calmly without any distraction. Remember when phones had mini jacks? That's it. That was the time. For those who want to turn back time and revive this era, my advice is to get your old phone from the shelf and just use it as a music player. In my case, it is 2016 iPhone SE with compact body and really beautiful design. I plug in my earphones and enjoy the old school wired experience. Moreover, I use it to record sounds. Even now, I plugged in my microphone and use iPhone SE as a recorder. Anyway, that's been it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. See you soon.